Hey you guys, it's been a long time no see. My little baby just destroyed this front seat just a few minutes ago. Well, just a few seconds ago. Hey! See? That's what you did. That's what you did. That facial look did a really good job.
Why?
Hey, what's up? It's Monday. I was supposed to be at a doctor's appointment, but my doctor decided to not be in the office the day of the appointment, and they called me an hour before my appointment to reschedule. Now, granted, I have paid time off for my doctor's visits, but I could be doing more with my time. So I drove all the way over to my old job. I used to work in retail, to just go in there and walk through there. But they're not open because, you know, the pandemic changed the hours. So no longer opening up at 9 and 10 o'clock in the morning. You gotta wait till damn near 12. Which is good for people who, you know, want to get off and go in early, or go in late and get off at a decent hour. I do not have COVID. I just inhaled some perfume that I sprayed on this morning, and I've been coughing ever since. So honestly, I just came here to get some coffee because there's a freaking Starbucks in here. Came to the mall. But I'm thinking about going, what is that? Oh, why is this sticker coming off? I need to go get my car serviced. But I'm nowhere near the miles that's on there. I always wait until my miles get to where it needs to be serviced, not the date on there. So I'm just tired, honestly. Tired. Hey, I'm back. I'm at the dentist currently. This is the dentist that I go to, Crosstown Dental Group, the Highland Row location here in Memphis. I really love it. I don't know why I got indigestion for some reason. Yeah. I'm finna go in, get my teeth cleaned, and they want to just check my gums, and I'm supposed to be possibly getting braces for my bottoms because you can see they're not aligned like they're supposed to be. But I have no cavities or nothing, so yeah. Appointment's at 4 o'clock. I just pulled up at 3:30. I'm probably gonna go in, so I'll already be in because it's actually sleeting today. It was just 80 degrees last week. Now it's 30. I'm confused. I'm rightly confused. But yeah, here we go. Hey, what's up, you guys? Long time no see. Let me introduce myself again. My name is Amber. I go by Armay. That is my actual government name. I just prefer to go by Armay instead of my first name. This channel is going to take a lot of changes in the next couple of months. I have changed careers. I'm a mom +2 now. It's a lot of things going on. So hopefully you guys that are still subscribed to me are on board with going along with the ride with me. I'm going to update the channel a little bit. I have been doing it over the course of a couple of months, piece by piece, if any of you have noticed. But yeah, so that's what today's vlog is going to be about. I'm going to be changing this channel to more lifestyle, motherhood, just lifestyle period as a whole. I mean, I'm still going to have my beauty regimens and stuff like that because beauty will never leave my side. But yeah, let's take you on this journey of a 32-year-old black woman. So yeah, I'm sitting outside my doctor's office right now. This is my first consultation with this doctor. I was referred by my primary care to this facility. Yeah, I have a lot of health issues that were hereditary and some health issues that were dormant from a child that are trying to creep their little ugly ass on out. So yeah, I have a condition called epilepsy that doctors have never really been able to fully diagnose me with, because I would have an episode, go to the emergency room, and then they couldn't find anything, and then, you know, test after test, nothing was showing up. Just test after test, nothing was showing up. Other than a couple of years ago, they found a small cyst on my brain, which they told me not to worry about. It didn't look like it was cancerous or anything like that. But yeah. So, here we are. I'm at a weight management consultation because I don't know what it is. Ever since I had my son, my weight has been very uncontrollable. No matter if I was doing a diet, just watching what I was eating, exercising, birth control actually messed me up. It set me back about 70 pounds I gained just from birth control alone. So yeah. And why this man gonna park right next to me? All these goddamn parking spots. I parked over here for a reason. But yeah. It's actually chilly outside. And I got both my windows down. I just got a sweater. It's 6 degrees in April. And it's a wind chill. So, yeah, that's what we're going to do. I'm going to take you into the doctor's office with me. Hopefully, if I can film. I'm not sure if I can yet. If not, see you when I get back in the damn car. So I'm here. Just did my, my little intake stuff. Yeah. We're gonna see how it goes. Yeah. Oh. Jesus, I'm tired. Well, consultation is over. Oh, I'm out here being ratchet. Stomach showing. But yeah, it went really, really well. I really like the doctor that I chose. It's pretty straightforward. It's really up to my insurance and also how quickly I can get an appointment before my pre-ops. So it can be anywhere from probably 2-3 months from now to 8 months. So yeah. And while I'm standing here, didn't even press the button. Been getting stuck in the elevator. Let me get to my car and I'll talk to y'all in a second.